Hello there, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm showing you how we are making this three icon and from where we need to bring this three icon and how we are using HTML and CSS to make this hover effect on this three icon and how this is moving everything smoothly and very good. Now let's go to the Visual Studio Code and we start there our codes and you will be see everything. This is our HTML file and I just simply created one boilerplate here, and this is just simple boilerplate. I have an HTML file. This is our CSS file I just created. Also here's a simple boilerplate, and this is a margin and padding just I put it. And now we come back to HTML file, and this is a link tag. I use it and I connected both files with each other by through of the link tag. Now I come and I need to make a one div by the name of container, and I created this div by the name of container. I need to copy this div and I need to take it to CSS file, and I need to put here the CSS file. I need to give in 100 VH and then need to be width also 100%. After that, I need to give in display flex and align atom need to be center, and after justify contain center also. Backgrounds color need to be this code I'm giving F2 F E. There's a color codes I'm using, and now we go into browser. We see how it is looking. Now I'm in a browser. It color looking different, and this is our technology skill Safi. Now let's go back to Visual Studio Code. Now let's go to HTML. I need to make a one icon class. This is our icon class, and I need to bring some social media icons, and let's go to browser. We bring some social media icons. Now we need to search for foundawesome.com, and we type it foundawesome.com. And when we come to the browser, and this is a foundawesome.com, we need to click on this first link. And when we click this first link, I already have accounts, and this is my account I created already, and this is my name, Bareles Ape. But you can make it also. It have a two version. One is a paid and one is a free version. And when you create an account, then you need to come to the your kid. When you click on your kid, and you need to click on this code, and after that you need to copy this code, this JavaScript code. And when we copy this JavaScript code, then we go back to our HTML file and we need to paste it there. Now I'm in HTML file. I need to be paste that link in a between link tag and head right here. When I paste this code, now I need to go back to browser. I need to bring some icon codes. Now I'm in a browser. I need to click on this icons. When I click on icons, and I need to type here the Facebook. I need a Facebook. I type it Facebook, and I need to change the version from here. I change it to this one 5.15.4, and I need to copy this Facebook icons. When I click it and it giving me this code, I need to click on this code. It will be automatically copied. And now I go back to Visual Studio Code. I need to paste in the HTML. Now I'm in HTML file. I need to be paste that code here, and I need to paste it. I need to paste one time more, 3 times, and I need to change this names to YouTube, and I need a one YouTube, and I don't need to go to that browser again. And another is a Twitter. I need to make a Twitter this one. Now we go to browser, how in a browser. Now we are in a browser, and this is 3 icon we have in our browser. And let's go back to Visual Studio Code. Okay, I need to copy this icon, and I go to CSS file. I need to paste here anchor tag, and I need to give display flex, and width need to be 100 pixel. After that, height need to be also 100 pixel, and align item need to be center, and justify contain also need to be center. Now we go to browser. We see how it is looking in a browser. This is our 3 icon, and it is coming vertically. Now let's go back to Visual Studio Code. We fix. Now I need to remove this flex, and I change it to inline flex, and I come down here. I need to make it a text decoration none. Also another, I need to make a font size 40 pixel. Now I go to the browser. We see how it is looking. Now it is looking good. Now let's go back to visuals. Okay, now I need to add some backgrounds and color. It's a background color need to be white. I'm adding white color. It's a 3F for white color. Now let's go to browser. We see how it is looking. This is looking good. Now we need to add some space between these boxes. Now let's go back to Visual Studio Code. We need to add that space. Okay. I need to give a margin, need to be 10 pixel, and box shadow need to be 0 and 10 pixel and 10 pixel. RGBA also need to be 0, 0, 0, 0.1. This is color need to be given. Let's go to browser. We see how it is looking. Now it have a space and also shadow. Now let's go back to Visual Studio Code. Now I need to copy this code and I need to paste here. I need to give net child, or I need to raise this one. I need to put net child, and I put in the child 1, and after that I giving color. I need to give a color code. This it is a similar with the Facebook color. And now I need to give a child net child 2, and I need to give a YouTube color. It need to be red color. Now I giving this color code. Now I need to give another, it's number 3. I need to raise this one color code. I need to put the Twitter color code, and it will look like now all looking good, and background color is a white. Now we need to add different color for each one. Let's go back to Visual Studio Code. Now I'm in a Visual Studio Code and I need to comment out this background color, and I need to make another background image. Here's background image linear gradients. I giving the color need to be 3D code, and this is a red also. And now we go to browser, see how it is looking in a browser. Now we are in a browser and it is looking good, and we changed the color and it's coming from top to bottom. Now let's go to Visual Studio Code. Now I need to give a 50%, and right here need to be also 50%. Now let's go to the browser, how it is looking, and now in the browser it is looking good, and from top is a white, from a bottom is a red, and half is a red, half is a white. Now let's go back to Visual Studio Code. Now I need to add background size. Background size need to be 100% width and 200% height. Now let's go to browser. We see how it is looking in the browser. This is a browser, and that's red color had behind the white. It is now visible, and we will be fixed that. Now let's go to Visual Studio Code. Now I'm giving background position, and this is our background position. Now I need to give a size. X need to be 0% and Y need to be 5%. Now let's go to browser. We see how it is looking. This small red line, each icon have, and more is a white. Now let's go to Visual Studio Code. Now I need to remove this color code from here. I need to paste right here, and I need to copy this color code and I need to paste right here. After this, I need to give 50%. No, I need to give inside right here 50%, and I give a 50%. Copy this one, and I need to bring paste right here, and I need to copy this color code also, and I need to paste right here. After this pasting this for YouTube, now I need to copy again this, and I need to bring in a tutor. I need to copy this code and I need to paste right here. And now let's go to browser. Look how it is looking in a browser. Now it is looking good. Facebook have blue line, and YouTube have a red line, and Twitter also have a blue Twitter color. Now let's go to Visual Studio Code. I need to type icon and anchor tag. Now I need to type hovers, and after this I need to copy this code, and I need to bring right here, and I giving 100%. Now we go to browser and we see how it is looking in a browser. Now I'm in a browser, and when I hovers, it changing completely to red, blue, any color. Let's go to fix this. Now I need to go top, and right here I need to add transition. I need to make a background position, and after background position 0.5 second, and transition. Let's go to browser. We see how it is looking in a browser. Okay, now I'm in a browser. When I hovers, it is moving, but icon is not visible. Now I need to fix that. Let's go back to Visual Studio Code. We need to fix that. Now I need to go down here. I need to add color, and color need to be white. We have, now I go up there and at top I need to add, here's a comma, and I give a color also to this transition 5 seconds. Now let's go to browser, how it is looking in a browser. When I hover, it is going very smoothly, and also it visible this F and also YouTube icon is visible. It is working very good. And